Mohit, how much time did you spend during your preparation?
It
On
was
an average,
the day.
how many hours do you think is needed to clear the examination?
See, as I started the preparations late, I got only 3 months to prepare. So I was studying for 3 to 4 hours daily at night because I'm a working professional. So I was not getting time in the morning or in the evening. So I was studying late nights for 3 to 4 hours daily during the weekdays, and in the weekends it was nearly 4 to 5 hours on Saturdays. On Sundays it was nearly 6 to 7 hours. And the working duration of the study time, it used to be half of the time was of spending the time in the classes. I used to complete the classes on time. I did the backup of every classes which I missed by starting the classes late, and half of the time I used to go through with the books of theory and practice questions.